Hello learners! Welcome to this video on the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is a fundamental concept in geometry. It describes the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. The formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It forms the foundation of right triangle mathematics. Before we dive deeper, let's understand the components of a right triangle. A right triangle has three sides, A, B, and C. Side A is the first leg, also known as the vertical side. Side B is the second leg, also known as the horizontal side. Side C is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side and is opposite the right angle. Now let's break down the Pythagorean theorem formula. The formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared means the first leg squared. B squared means the second leg squared. C squared means the hypotenuse squared. The sum of the squares of both legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. This relationship is always true for any right triangle. Let's apply the Pythagorean theorem to a practical example. Suppose we have a right triangle where side A is 3 units and side B is 4 units. We want to find the length of side C, the hypotenuse. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we have c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Substituting the given values, we get c squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared, which simplifies to c squared equals 9 plus 16. This gives us c squared equals 25. Taking the square root of both sides, we find that c equals the square root of 25. Therefore, c equals 5 units. The Pythagorean theorem has many real-world applications, especially in the construction industry. It helps ensure perfect right angles in buildings. It is used for calculating roof slopes and measurements. It is also used for finding diagonal bracing lengths and verifying square foundations. The theorem is a vital tool for accuracy and stability in construction projects. Another important application of the Pythagorean theorem is in navigation and GPS systems. Imagine you need to find the shortest distance between 2 points on a map. For example, you travel 8 kilometers east and then 6 kilometers north. The direct distance can be calculated using the Pythagorean theorem. Direct distance equals the square root of 8 squared plus 6 squared, which equals the square root of 64 plus 36. This simplifies to the square root of 100. Therefore, the direct distance is 10 kilometers. The Pythagorean theorem is also useful in distance calculations. In technology, it helps with screen diagonal measurements and pixel distance calculations. In sports, it is used for field measurements and trajectory calculations. In aviation, it assists in flight path optimization and runway calculations. And in engineering, it is applied in structural design and mechanical systems. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video. The Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, is an essential tool for construction and engineering. It forms the foundation of navigation and GPS systems. Keep in mind that it works only with right triangles. And it is a universal principle used across all fields. The Pythagorean theorem bridges ancient mathematics with modern applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.